If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture. So today we will see how to find the equation of a chord at the two given points, parametric point T1 and T2, and we will see a nice observations of a condition for a chord to be a focal chord. Okay, then let's see. It is another interesting thing. Suppose you want to find the chord of equation of chords at the point T1, T2. So this is the name of the point, this is T2. I have also gave you name Mn, and also you can say, so that you don't get confused with T1, T2. So what is the slope? Because you know the coordinates, it is 81, so you can easily someone, it is not a big deal. You can find the equation of Mn. It is always easy. 2 points are given. Using 2 points formula you can find it out. Find slope, then y minus y1 equal to slope m minus m1. So you can remember the slope, or you can see it is nothing to remember. It is easy. You can find it anytime. You can find this equation also anytime. So there is nothing interesting here. Now the interesting things comes from here. If the chord can be anywhere. This can also be a chord. This can also be a chord. Any two intersecting point becomes a chord of parabola. But once the chord passes through focus, that we know that is known as focal chord. Earlier we have studied. So focal chord, if it is a focus chord or focal chord, then it has to pass through a comma 0. So in this equation, if you put a comma 0, it should satisfy. So if you put a comma 0, this side 0, this side 2. So 2a 2a get cancelled. So this is equal to minus 1, which becomes conditions for a focal chord. Condition for being a focal chord. Suppose 2 points are given T1, T2. You check if T1 into T2 is minus 1, then if you join this, then it will be a focal chord. Any 2 points are given to you, they ask you whether it will make a focal chord or not one. Suppose T1 is given, T2 is given. So you take product. If you take the product, if you take minus 1, then obviously the joining line will obviously pass through focus, if it is minus 1. So there is a very interesting, so this becomes the conditions for a focal chord at the point T1, T2 in parametric form. If this product is minus 1, then obviously it is a focal chord joining the points T1 and T2. Once you know this T1, T2 equal to minus 1, now you can write the two extreme points of a focal chord without using T1, T2 separately, because if you know one, then you can know another one, because the product will be minus 1. Suppose one is T, then another one will be minus 1 by T. So if one extreme point is 80 square comma 280, another one will be, in place of T, it will be minus 1 by T, because the product should be minus 1. So another extreme point will be a by T square minus 2a by T. So this also is a good conclusion that we can remember. The extreme points of a focal point can be taken as this. If you take this one, then another one will be, in place of T, it will be minus 1 by T. That's it, because the product is minus 1. So this is also an important observation. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.